So this is the exchange app I'm talking about, and you can see you can get it directly on your Google Play Store. You can see that I'm currently on my Google Play Store, and you can see I've already downloaded this app, and it is also available on your App Store if you are using iOS, or if you are using other device that is different from an Android device. You can get it in both App Store, Play Store, and then Windows app. So before opening the app, let me go to any of these chats, any of this AI. Okay, I'm using OpenAI, which is ChatGPT. As you can see, about MEXC Exchange. So you can see that here they are saying it is established in 2018 and the headquarters is in Singapore. The reason why I'm making this research, that's the reason why I asked AI to tell me all these details so I can read it out to you, is because I want you to know that how authentic and how well this exchange is known. So you can see over 10 million users worldwide. You can see how many people that are currently using this, and you can see it's known for sports, futures, ETF trading, staking, and P2P trading. So as you can see, it also has a strong presence in Nigeria and Africa for crypto traders. So you can check this out anytime you are free, or if you want to get more information about this on any of the OpenAI or using any search engine. So let me just launch the app and open it. As you can see, currently in this, I already have up to $5.99 or USDT in it, and I'm going to be using this to trade P2P in this video, demonstrating how P2P trading works on this exchange. So the reason why I'm making this video is because I know how difficult it is to exchange crypto to any of the Naira or fiat currency in Nigeria, and it has made crypto exchange, or it has made exchanging of crypto to Naira so difficult. So in Nigeria, there are so few exchanges that offer crypto to Naira P2P transactions, and I discovered this recently, so I decided to make a video about this, and you can know how this really works. MEXC Exchange comes with so many opportunities. As you can see, it has a DEX section which you can trade DEX and other trading section that are available there, but in this video I'm going to be focusing on the P2P exchange or trading. So you can see that right over here I already have 5.99 USDT on this, and I'm going to be transferring, I'm going to be trading this into Naira, and you're going to be seeing how it is really done. So before proceeding, I'm going to be leaving the affiliate link or the referral code in the description section of this video, or in the comment section, or below the post of this video, depending on where you are watching this video from, either Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, or Telegram. So you can just go there and then click on that, and you can go and sign up, and then you can go to either Play Store or App Store to download the app and make use of it. So very quickly, I'll just go to the P2P section here, and which when I open it, it's going to be something like this. So you can see this is the interface of the P2P exchange section. So after I explain how this P2P works and I demonstrate how to make use of it by exchanging my USDT to Naira using the platform, and then I'm going to be explaining how to claim rewards using this P2P section, because MEXC.com or MEXC Exchange usually offer rewards for P2P users, especially if you are using the Naira as a fiat currency for transaction. So I'm going to be explaining all that after I do the tutorial. So after this, if you are buying USDT, or if you are buying your crypto Naira, all you need to do is to firstly make sure this is showing buy, and then the crypto you want to buy, you can click on this and select if you are buying USDT, BTC, Ethereum, USDC, and other cryptocurrency which are available here. You can see them, but me, I'm going to be using this USDT for the trading, and I am about to sell my USDT to get a Naira as worth of my USDT. So all I need to do, I'm going to go to the sell section because I'm selling the USDT that I have on my balance, and then I will impute an estimated amount of that 5 point something USD. Let's say, let me impute an estimated amount of 5,000 Naira like this, and then I'll enter it, and Right over here, you can see that they are bringing some exchanges. Sorry, they are bringing some merchants which are willing to sell at a rate that is as low as 5,000 naira. So these people are willing to buy my USDT worth of 5,000 naira. So if I have USDT worth of 5,000, this filter has just filtered people that are willing to accept the buy of 5,000 worth of USDT. So I'll just check anyone that are more active and has rate of order completion. So you can see this one is having 100% and other ones are having 100%. This one have completed up to 48 orders, this ones have completed 58 order, and this one here has completed up to 1,428 orders. So I'll select based on this, and also I will select based on the bank payment which I have. So you can see there are bank pay, OPay, and bank transfer and other ways which you want to receive it. You can see Kuda Bank and rest. So first of all, there is something you need to do before doing this P2P transaction. Let me show you. Before you run your P2P transaction, you need to come to this wallet section, click on transfer, and right here you can see you need to change this to fiat. You need to transfer your funds which you want to use to do P2P trading. You need to transfer it to your fiat balance, and you can see I have not yet done that. I will just click on this and transfer that to the fiat balance, and that is what I'm going to be using to do it. So I'll just click on this and it's going to take me directly to the P2P section. So now it is on fiat balance now. So now I can go back to the P2P, and so current price of 1 USDT to Naira is currently 1,506 Naira, and some goes to 1,504 Naira. And you can see everybody here that is willing to sell their Naira for your USDT has their own rates. So you choose the ones that are more convenient for you, the ones that you accept and you want to trade with. What you need to keep in mind is that make sure you choose the ones that have many orders. You can see this one has about 1,428 orders already, and its completion rate or percent is about 97%. So this person is a nice merchant which I can use to do the trade with. And if I go up, I can see other people. This type of person is not too good because you can see it has only 2 orders and it is considered not too safe and all that. And you can see this one comes with about 49 orders. So let's go to this guys section. I'm going to be making the trade with this person because his completion order is about 1,428 order and its completion rate is about 97%. So, and this person accepts bank transfer. That is, this person do bank transfer. So I'm going to be clicking on the sales section here, which is going to load me to his page. So let me do that. So right here it has loaded me to his page, and you can see I'm going to be selling 5.7496, okay, 5.74 USDT there, and you can see the total amount is going to be about 8,631 USDT, 8,631 Naira, sorry. You can see NGN there. So if I am cool with this, I will click on I have read and agreed, and then click on sell USDT. Then but make sure you read and agree on the agreement or P2P service. Read it very carefully before you agree. So that is very important for you to take note. Then I'll just click on this sales section, and if you haven't added your bank transfer section or bank payment details, there is a page that is going to pop up for you, which you are going to be adding all that. If you are going to be using OPay, you can add it. If you are going to be using any of the bank in Nigeria and you want to use to make your P2P transaction or to receive the payment to it, is going to be showing you there, and you can use that to accept transfer. So me, I've already added one of my accounts, which is the OPay bank, into this. That's why I just move automatically to the pay section. So here they are saying P2P trading security tips. So here they say that there has been an increase in scam recently. Please take note of the following. Do not release your digital asset until payment has been received. So you need to confirm your payment before you release your digital asset, which is your USDT, to the second person which is about to buy it. And the second escrows here. They are saying MEXC does not escrow on any fiat currency. So you see, they are saying they are not on screw on any fiat currency. What they are saying is that they are only acting as a middleman between you and the buyer of the crypto assets. So they are only acting as a middleman to make sure the transaction is successful and safe. So what they are doing there is that when the buyer sent the payment to you, they will hold the coin to make sure that you have received your payment before you release it, and immediately you release it, they transfer it to the buyer and the transaction is successful. That is what they are saying on this second section. The third section here, they are saying that never communicate with your counterpart. Never communicate with your counterparty through third-party platform, e.g. Telegram. Always use MEXC messaging system for any communications. So that's what they are saying there. So anything concerning the P2P transfer here, make sure you communicate on the message section on the MEXC.io P2P messaging center to avoid any forms of fraud or scam. So that's what you need to take note. And after that, you click on this, and this is the message center they are saying. And here, if you click on it, the buyer has already sent a message and is saying that okay, now the buyer have made the payment already in my OP. That's what I just confirmed. And you can see that they are saying kindly pay, release fast. This is what the buyer is saying. They say kindly pay, release fast for seller. No phone number, no payment. For buyer, do not pay coupons, no third party. Okay, these are the terms of the buyer. So here he's saying phone number. So I'll just drop the phone number. He has already paid, but I'm just going to drop the phone number to know that I am authentic. 0. Okay, I'm just going to drop phone number. So now you can see he has already sent the receipt, but before I release this, I need to go and confirm it on my OP app to know that I have successfully received the payment. So I just go to my OP, that is my bank app, which is my OP app, and confirm if I've received it. So you can see I've just confirmed that I've received it. You can see the amount of USDT that I sold to him. You can see this is the worth in fiat, that is in Naira. You can see it's about 8,631 Naira, as you can see. So after confirmation, I will just go to the MEXC app again, and then, so I'm on the P2P section. I will just click at these 3 buttons at the top. You can see my last order which I placed is still here. So I'll just open it, and it's going to take me to this section which I will see the order, which I will just click on open order here. Or I'll click on the please confirm receipt section here, and which I will go down here and then click on this payment receipt section, and then it's going to tell me to confirm, and I'll click on confirm section and then do the authentication and the verification. After doing this, the coin is going to be successfully released to a person. So I've already connected my Google authentication for verification, so I'll pause this video and do that because it's a privacy section. So now you can see that it has been released successfully and transaction has been completed. So this is how easy it is to trade on P2P section on MEXC exchange. You can see it is very easy and understand to know. So if you are finding it difficult to transfer, or if you are finding it difficult to sell your USDT to Naira or to Nigerian fiat currency, you can try this MEXC exchange P2P. Is very easy and reliable to use. So I'll just give this person a good review because he make payment quickly and it was fast. So I'll just give him a good review and then submit, and it is also an added advantage to him. And you can see the P2P is now successful, and that's just how it is. You can see now the balance has been reduced to 0.25 USDT in the total exchange balance there. So you can see this is very easy and simple to do. So like I said earlier in the video, I'm going to be showing you how to gain rewards when doing P2P transfer or P2P trading in this exchange. So to do that, if you click on the P2P section again, so if you open the P2P section now, if you see up for this side at the point, you see say these are packages where MEXC.io or MEXC exchange don't put in place to the favor P2P traders, or these are just the packages or interesting things that MEXC exchange have put in place to favor P2P traders in the exchange. So you can see here they say deposit with fiat or P2P to trade to claim 10 dollar airdrop. You can see it here, and the second one here, you can see they say trade P2P to win 100 USDT. And if you go to the third one, you can see future P2P ADS. No, this one is not all that stuff. Then this right here is what I'm going to be explaining majorly at. So you can see here they say Nigeria exclusive. So this one is majorly meant for Nigerians. So if you are trading P2P and you are in Nigeria, you can see here they say in 200 USDT weekly. You can see. So let us go to it and you can see what they are saying here. You can see at this section they are saying that in up to $200 weekly only for Nigeria's top 5 P2P merchants. So you can see, so if you are trading this P2P and you are becoming very reliable, and if the system is recognizing you as a merchant, or if you have already become a merchant and you are having a high volume of trades and your completion rate is very high, you are going to be winning this 200 USDT weekly on this trading section of this P2P in MEXC exchange. So you can see all you need to do here is to just register now, and after you register you can join this reward that they are doing. So if you come down here, you are saying they say MEXC is rewarding Nigeria's most active and dedicated P2P merchants. Join our NGN exclusive merchant reward campaign and earn up to $200 every week just by doing what you do best, saving more users and keeping the market active. Only 5 merchants will be selected each week. Be fast, trade smart, and earn your share. So that's what they are saying. So you can see right here, you can see the eligibility here. They are saying must register a MEXC account and complete KYC verification. And you can see here they are saying hold a merchant status on MEXC P2P. So you need to be a merchant before you can claim this reward. And you can see here how to participate. Log into your verified MEXC account, click register now on the campaign page on the official join, and right here you can see post your sell ADS in the P2P section and complete eligible transaction during this campaign period, and you are going to be qualified to win this every week. So you can see unlock your rewards and other stuff they are talking about this. So here they are saying unlock your rewards, and yeah, what they are saying there is a top 5 merchants will qualify based on their weekly sale volume and number of completed orders during the campaign. So this is the major things you need to know about these weekly rewards on MEXC. So you can see eligible criteria weekly by week, and you can see trade with 50 unique users and each trade volume between $10 to $100 each, a weekly sale volume of 2,500 to 20,000 orders. So you can still keep up to this if you are trading on MEXC. Like if you are using the P2P section and you are trading on MEXC exchange for a long period, you are going to keep up and match up to this. So this is it, and this is what I really have to share with you on today's video, and I hope you enjoy this. And also on the next video I'm going to be talking more about how to do P2P arbitrage, where to buy, where to sell crypto to get commissions if you are doing that, so you can get profits. That's what I'm going to be talking about. So in the next video I'm going to be talking majorly on P2P trading arbitrage. So this is what I really have to share with you on today's video, and I hope you enjoy it, and I'm going to be seeing you next in the next video. Thank you guys for watching. I'm going to be seeing you next in the next one. Stay safe and stay tuned.